wake up with determination, and go to bed with satisfaction. My strength is I am hardworking, self motivated, and dedicated towards my work. And my negative point is I am workaholic. I like to travel. I traveled so many places in India. So my hobby is to meet different people in different places. I wanted to become a teacher to be able to make a positive difference on the future of children. And for me, it is a great challenge stimulating the next generation to become a lifelong learner. Definitely, I will become a photographer. My maths teacher, Showman sir, is very punctual, honest, and sincere. My name is Kanchan. Come learn with me at Openhouse.